In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in Xero. This task is a fundamental part of managing your business finances, ensuring that your records are accurate and up to date. Let's dive in and take a closer look at this process so you can breeze through it with confidence. To begin, you'll want to locate the Sales section. This can be found on the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Simply click on Sales and you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, select Invoices. This will take you to a page displaying a list of all your invoices. Here, you have a great overview of what's outstanding, what's been partially paid, and what's already settled. Now, to mark an invoice as paid, first identify the unpaid invoice you need to address. Click on it, and this will open up more details about the invoice. Perhaps you've just received a payment from a client, or you're reconciling payments at the end of the month. Either way, once you've clicked on the invoice, you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Add Payment. Go ahead and click on this button. This is where you'll input the specifics of the payment you've received. It's important to fill out these details correctly to maintain the integrity of your financial records. You'll need to enter crucial details such as the date the payment was received, the amount paid, and possibly some applicable references or notes that relate to this payment. These details will help you track payments more efficiently and can be particularly useful when you're pulling reports or reviewing your financial statements later on. Now, if the invoice is paid in full, Xero will automatically recognize this and mark the invoice as paid. This automatic update is a handy feature, ensuring your accounts reflect accurate status without requiring additional clicks or confirmations. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully marked an invoice as paid in Xero. Remember, keeping your invoices updated by regularly marking them as paid not only helps you manage your cash flow better, but also ensures a smoother end-of-month reconciliation process. It's a small task that can make a big difference in running your business effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helped you understand the process more clearly and makes handling your invoices a breeze. If you have any questions, feel free to go over the steps again or consult Xero's support for more detailed explanations. Happy invoicing!